Hello everyone. So today Local Life present a beautiful story of 3 days and 300-kilometer cycling trip in Malaysia. She is Kuan from Malaysia and our tour guide in this trip. He is Pedro from Brazil and our leader and planner of this trip. And this is me from India. My job is creating a videos which you already watched. So this story started from yesterday night. Juan and Pedro planned this trip and they asked me to join, but that time my bike wasn't in good condition. And I told them about that, so they asked me to come over and they transformed my bike from this to this in overnight. And the next morning we started our trip at 7 a.m. from Kuala Lumpur to Kuala Selangor. And that time there was so much traffic, but luckily we had our local girl who knows all the shortcuts to bypass these traffic things. And we were riding our bike non-stop, and that day weather was so hot and humid as well. But all the roads were surrounded by palm tree and so much greenery, that's why we were not actually feeling the heat and we continue our riding.
मलेशिया में ऐसे दोपहर में निकलने में ना आपको भरपूर गर्मी मिलेगी भाई साहब, बहुत जोर एक तो गर्मी और दूसरी ह्यूमिडिटी, दिमाग खराब हो जाता है यार। लेकिन फिर भी ऐसे दोस्त हैं और ऐसा ना खाली सा रोड है और इधर चारों तरफ से पेड़ ये पाम के पेड़ है। मलेशिया काफ़ी पाम प्रोड्यूस करता है अपनी कंट्री में। ये काम तोड़ लिया, अब इससे जाके चटनी बनाऊँगा। काफ़ी नारियल जैसा स्वाद है मलेशिया के आमों में। सारा 2 घंटे में गर्म हो गया।
And after few hours of riding we reached a very beautiful village in Kuala Selangor.
Oh my! Woohoo! This is so beautiful, man.
Yeah, you see the house, you see the traditional Malay house.
Huh? Here?
Yeah, after when you start seeing the house, you see always a big balcony.
Ah, is this a traditional house?
Yeah, then they make like the roof here for the cars. It's not the traditional house, but it's kind of.
Ah,
They have more than one sort of house.
सही। मलेशिया के एक
And
छोटे से।
usually it's a big room. Usually the house is just one big room.
And after 4 hours of continuous riding we were so tired and decided to stop in the restaurant to charge ourselves.
How many kilometers we have covered already?
62.
62?
Yeah.
Oh.
Your longest?
No, my longest is 180.
180 one day.
No, one day is 100, I guess.
We parked our bike there and had some delicious food. And after food we started our journey again and reached to the ocean. Actually that was a very good feeling if you think to drive your bicycle from busy city to peaceful ocean. But beach was very dirty, so we decided to not to stop there and we took a very beautiful route to continue our journey that was just beside the ocean. And every single one are our roads color for changing from yellow to green, red, black. That was also very beautiful things of this trip. And sometime I was thinking why I don't do this thing every day. This peaceful road, beautiful trees, blue skies, so much greenery. Oh my god, this was so beautiful. Now it was about to sunset. We can clearly hear the bird sounds and sunlight was also about to touch the ground. And we saw one hill, then we decided to climb and watch a beautiful sunset from there and also find some good place to pitch our tent. We found one place in between the hills and they sent me to have a review of that place. That place was actually very good and we can possibly spend our one night there. But suddenly I saw monkeys and they were not good for our open tent. And then we decided to climb more and reach to the top. From that point we can see sun and oceans together, and that place we were not alone, some people was already there and few monkeys as well. So we watched a beautiful sunset with this additional view.
He just peed. Did you notice?
And it started getting darker and darker and it became very challenging to find a place to stay tonight. Luckily we found one mosque where they allowed us to stay tonight and they asked us to leave before 6 because they will start their prayer at early morning. We were so exhausted, tired and hungry that time. We had all the stuff for cooking but no one had that energy for cooking. And then suddenly one guy came from behind and he asked us, "Sir, food?" And we were so happy and that was the happiest moment of that day. We got food. See the happiness.
Samosa.
It's samosa, but you know, the same shape in India, they put sweet thing inside. And after food, we decided to pitch our tent and give some rest to our body for tomorrow's journey. And this was going to be my first camping experience, and I bought this new tent for this trip. And that time I didn't know how to set up this tent, and I was waiting for them to help me, but that time I think they just didn't notice me. And after some time Kwan came to help me, but she was also not familiar with this kind of tent.
Where's your other thing?
And that time I thought that I bought wrong tent until Pedro came. Finally हमने हमारा टेंट लगा दिया.
This would be so hot, right? Yeah.
And it's time to say good night, and I hope you guys like our stories, and let's see you guys tomorrow.